स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, once again welcome you all in today's video. So today we'll talk about the extension notice which is published by CET Cell with respect to the cap round process. So guys, stay tuned with me throughout this video because it is very important to know the cap round updates. And guys, thank you very much to be connected with our YouTube channel, and because of you guys I can provide all the information about the cap rounds. So guys, whatever doubts you have, just write down in the comment box. I will answer all of your questions or will make a video on this same. So very first one, our new YouTube channel launch at Manua Law Entrance, which is very specific to the law entrance exams such as the Maharashtra Law CET, both with respect to 3 years and 5 years, CLAT, DU LLB, BHU Law, SLAT, LSAT, ILAT and others. So guys, to get the best coaching for all law entrance preparations, call our board line number 8828581455, and link for this new YouTube channel are mentioned in the description. So guys, just click on it, go to the channel and press the subscribe button. So let's see the notice first. You can see the notice on announcement list, and also here the editing and uploading facility of the required document is reopened from 18 January to 20th of till 11 hours and 59 minutes. So those candidates who still facing the problems with respect to all the documents and the respective field to fill up, guys, you should grab this opportunity 18 January to 20 January. Okay guys, this is the extension notice for submission of CVC, that is the caste validity certificate, EWS certificate and non-creamy layer certificate. Receipt uploading candidates to upload the certificate in place of receipt. So those who uploaded the receipt there, they can upload the documents. So as per the request received from all the candidates, even from the parents and from various sections of the society and institute, CET Cell is advancing the dates of uploading the CVC, NCL and EWS certificate. So for higher education, so it is as per LLB 5 years. So current status is the final merit list for round 1 to be declared on today. Okay, so nature of the extension, due to this notice, the extension to form editing uploading these all certificates. Now the duration of extension to editing Monday 18 Jan to Wednesday 20th Jan. With respect to law 3 years, the final merit list for round 1 to be declared on tomorrow 19 Jan. Extension to form editing uploading CVC, NCL, EWS certificate. Okay, this is the nature of extension due to this notice. Now the same editing option will be given 18 Jan to 20th Jan. Now with respect to the B.Ed, general and special, so first round declared on 14th Jan. Candidates to report to colleges up to 18th Jan. Now 3 days extension given for submitting these all certificates to the admitting college, and the last date of reporting to college extended from Tuesday, that is 19 Jan to the 21st of Jan. And also for MEd, BPEd, MPEd, BA, BSc, B.Ed, B.Ed and MEd integrated program, all the notices are given here. So guys, the updated schedule to be above extension shown in column 3 and 4, okay, this one will be flashed on the respective CAP portal by 19th January 2021. So on your respective portal it will be seen from tomorrow onwards, 19th January 2021. So all the candidates who have applied for these all certificates and uploaded their receipt of the same in online application should take the advantage of this special extension given by the CET Cell. So guys, this is all about the today's video, the notice extension. So guys, be connected with our YouTube channel to get all updates regarding the cap round and even with respect to all the law entrance exams. Okay, for the preparation for 2021 and even for 2022, you can join our online programs where you will get the books, study materials, the mock tests, sectional wise courses, full course, and you can interact live with us. So to join, call on 8828581455 or you can visit at manuaedu.com/lawentrance. So kindly check this link in the description. So guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and get the regular updates with respect to the law entrance exams. So this is all. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.